Hey WeSo family! Welcome back to another must-watch episode of WeSo Health Tips, the place where we bridge cultural wisdom with modern health. Today's topic is as fascinating as it is important. Some fruits, while packed with nutrients, can be dangerous, even fatal, if eaten incorrectly. But don't panic, we're here to guide you through how to enjoy them safely. We've got 20 fruits to cover, so grab a snack, preferably a safe one, and stick around. Let's dive in. First up is Jamaica's own national fruit, the famous ackee. Ackee. You probably know ackee is a beloved staple here in Jamaica. But never eat it before it's fully ripe. The unripe fruit contains hypoglycin A, which can cause severe poisoning. Always let it open naturally. Elderberries. These are antioxidant-rich and fantastic for immunity, but unripe elderberries have cyanogenic glycosides, which release cyanide. Always cook them before enjoying. Apricot seeds and cherry pits. The fruit is sweet, but inside the seeds lurks amygdalin, which, when broken down, produces cyanide. One seed won't kill you, but eating too many is dangerous. Now, who knew that fruit seeds could pose such a threat? Give this video a thumbs up if this surprises you. Star fruit. It's refreshing and exotic, but people with kidney disease should avoid it. Star fruit contains neurotoxins that your body can't filter properly. Have you tried any of these fruits before? Let me know in the comments. Soursop. It's famous for cancer-fighting potential, but its seeds and leaves contain annonacin, which may be linked to neurological effects. Always eat soursop in moderation. Manchineel. This one is a NOGO. It looks like a harmless apple, but it's highly toxic. Even its tree sap can burn your skin. Lychee. Delicious, but unripe lychees may cause severe hypoglycemia, especially in children. Always wait for ripeness. Cassava. A staple food for many, but raw cassava contains cyanogenic compounds that can turn into cyanate. Always cook or ferment cassava properly. Now, let's round out our list with 10 more fruits that need careful handling. 11. Bitter almonds. Much stronger than sweet almonds, they contain high amygdalin levels, releasing cyanide when eaten raw. 12. Pomegranate seeds. Great for antioxidants, but excessive consumption can cause digestive distress. 13. Cherimoya, custard apple. Sweet and creamy, but its seeds contain annonacin, linked to neurological damage. 14. Papaya seeds and unripe papaya, high in papain, which can be toxic in large amounts. Be cautious with green papaya. 15. Horse chestnut. Not all chestnuts are safe. Horse chestnuts are toxic and can cause severe illness. 16. Mulberries. Before they ripen, mulberries can cause hallucinogenic effects and digestive issues. 17. Persimmons. Too much of this fruit can form bezoars, hard masses in your stomach. 18. Cashew apples. Raw cashews contain urushiol, the same toxin in poison ivy. Always roast them first. 19. Black nightshade berries. Ripe ones may be fine, but unripe berries contain solanine, which is toxic. 20. Tomato. Yes, it's a fruit. Unripe tomatoes and their green leaves contain solanine, harmful in large amounts. So, WeSo family, what's the big takeaway here? Fruits are incredible, but knowledge is key. Some need ripening, others require cooking, and a few should be avoided altogether. Always do your research before consuming unfamiliar fruits, and be sure you're preparing them the right way. If this vlog blew your mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips. Drop a comment. Did any of these surprise you? Which ones have you eaten before? Let's keep the conversation going.